Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Be strong enough to let go.
We built a dream with open hearts. Never thought we'd fall apart. Every promise slowly disappeared, leaving only pain and fear.
I fought for us through every storm, trying to keep our love alive.
But some stories reach their final page, and only faith helps us survive. When holding on keeps breaking you, God will lead you somewhere new. Be strong enough to let go. When love no longer helps you grow, don't keep chasing what is gone. Your heart was made to carry on. Be wise enough to wait in peace. Trust that better days will come with ease. The love you truly deserve will stay in God's perfect time and in perfect way.
Hey, hey. Every tear became a lesson learned.
Every scar a bridge I crossed. I found the strength inside my soul. Even after all I lost, now I'm walking toward the light, leaving yesterday behind. Because every ending God allows makes room for something more divine. I won't settle out of fear. God is gently leading me from here. Be strong enough to let go. When love no longer helps you grow, don't keep chasing what is gone. Your heart was made to carry on. Be wise enough to wait in peace. Trust that better days will come with ease. The love you truly deserve will stay in God's perfect time and perfect way.
Sometimes goodbye is heaven's grace, making room for a better place. If love is real, it will remain. If not, God will heal the pain.
The one who knows tomorrow's wrong will never leave me here alone. He writes a future filled with hope and calls my heart back home. Be strong enough to let go. Don't let your broken spirit slow. Be wise enough to wait with faith. God's best love is worth the wait. Every ending has a reason. Every heart has its season. I'll keep believing, I'll keep praying for the love that's truly staying.
I'll let go of yesterday, because God is preparing a better tomorrow. What is meant for me will never pass me by,
I'll wait with faith.
and I love again.
Mila di mol get up and belong before you go. God in savay long road belong me. Suppose this spell I love and me belong me true. Bye and me come back. Suppose no God bye. Giving me one pella, good pella, something more. Me buy wet one time, believe. Me buy no bread long behind. Long time belong God pass all. Me buy pining. This spell I love you truly deserve.
Be strong, stop strong, be wise.
Sweat long time, the long God. belong you yet.